How to change Netflix plan. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can change your Netflix plan, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Changing Netflix plan is very simple. You can change it from the app, or I'd recommend you go to your browser and go to netflix.com/your-account. I'll make sure to drop a link below. netflix.com/account or netflix.com/your-account. They're both the same page. Once you do that, you'll come here. Now currently my membership is actually cancelled, so in this case my account is inactive and my membership is inactive. But if your membership is still active and then you are trying to find a plan, here under plan details you'll find change plan option. So you can tap on the add option or the change plan option. Then once you've done that, just make sure to go ahead and then enter your payment details and select a plan of your choice, and accordingly you'll be able to change your plan in that regard. This way you can go ahead and then basically change the plan. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.